had exciting experiences of being an SSDJ or Sabado Student DJ at MOR 97.1 Lupig sila in 2020. Candidate number 2 is Kersley. Next in line is candidate number 3, Naya from Barangay Casili. Naya Malinaw Antigua loves drawing, traveling, connecting with nature, and exploiting the underwater through scuba diving. Our candidate number 3 from Casili is Naya. Christine from Barangay Pulpogan. Christine Castillo Apata proudly represented Cebu in the Talentadong Pag-aaral competition, where she achieved 3rd place out of 51 contestants in Negros Oriental. Candidate number 4 from Pulpogan, Christine. Contestant, which is candidate number 5, Jeremy of Barangay Tansada. A valedictorian with a GWA of 97.4, studied Japanese culture and language in Japan, earning an A++ average. A caregiver specializing in child care. Also a science enthusiast with research on Clostridium iridium placed pyramid at the regional level. Recently, she was crowned Miss Empress of Consolacion, first runner-up. You're seeing candidate number 5, Jeremy of Tansada. Candidate number 6. Candidate number 6 is Sophia from Barangay Chugan. Sophia Lynn Ravenna is known for her humor, charm, and extraordinary personality. She enjoys snacking on French fries and has a unique love for the colors blue, black, and yellow. Her vibrant and confident outlook makes her stand out in any crowd. Ladies and gentlemen, in front of you is candidate number 6, Sophia of Barangay Chugan. Liu Xingfei is a talented costume and fashion designer with experience designing for the Pasigawa Susuko Festival Queen for 3 years. She has worked as both an international and national costume designer and is also a skilled black magic performer and martial artist. Additionally, she has designed costumes for the Alisio, Thailand, and Philippines collaboration. Ladies and gentlemen, that's candidate number 7, Liu Xingfei of Barangay Pugan. Next in line is candidate number 8, Kay of Poblacion Occidental. Kay Cashby Rion is a proud graduate of Cebu Normal University. She has a unique love for dark places and enjoys spending time alone. In her free time, she loves playing volleyball and indulging in her passion for eating a variety of food. That's Kay in front of you, ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 8 from Poblacion Occidental. Candidate number 9, Barbie from Barangay Danlas. Barbie Pepito has a passion for playing tennis and loves spending her free time at the beach. She also enjoys sketching, allowing her creativity to flow through her art. In front of you, ladies and gentlemen, is candidate number 9, Barbie from Barangay Danlas. Candidate number 10, Marga from Barangay Tulfogan. Marga Brunei enjoys making her own words in Scrabble puzzles and performing acrobatics while eating. She is also a member of the XBD class and has been a consistent honor student from Kinder 1 to Kinder 2. Candidate number 10 from Barangay Tulfogan, Marga.